What's up, everybody? It's finally here. The video I've been waiting for months to make. The C2B Air Suspension Conversion Kit is here. We've had it sitting for a few months. Haven't been able to install it because we've been busy. But now we got a garage, as you saw in the last video. Finally have a garage so I can have this thing away. Don't have to worry about the weather or anything. So we're gonna get this installed. This is gonna be the cheapest air suspension setup ever. Technically. So this all came off of my old Jetta. The whole Airlift Performance Kit with the 3P air suspension control system. And then these C2B air suspension bags were a couple hundred, and this is gonna be paired with a MaxpeedingRods Struts. Any of you VQ owners know, these are really crappy suspension. However, I'm hoping that with the bags, the struts shouldn't be an issue. So we're gonna take these tires off, get the struts off, mount this air suspension. Hopefully by the end of this weekend, we're gonna have a bagged car and a great video. So stick around, let's get to it.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, so we gotta take the struts out first. Start with the front because they're more difficult. So we'll take out these three, then we'll drop it from the bottom, and we'll be rocking and rolling. Oh, thank you, hit the floor. Whew! That would have sucked. Pro tip for these cars, we're gonna drop the sway bar links on both sides. That way it drops the sway bar, and then it'll be so much easier to remove the actual strut. Take the strut tower apart now. Nut, top piece, O-ring, spring, nut and topper. Rubber, more rubber and gasket, and then final seal. Now this is the tricky part. It's going to be getting this off. Alright, so I removed the Evo clamp. Apparently we don't need them. But this stupid lip is too thick and the air suspension won't fit down. So we've got to sand this down and then it should flushly fit over top. So what I had to do is disconnect the threaded part and thread it from the bottom up. And then I just drop this down on top. And a few little bolts. So now we're good. Now we just got to put the top hat on. All right, so for the rear bags, what we got to do here is we take our rear portion and set it on there and lock that in. Now this is gonna go up top. The only problem is we need a hole in that because we're going to stick a bolt through here and that's gonna go through there and lock that in place. So right now I'm gonna tap that hole and then we can get to it. All right, so now we have our hole drilled. I missed two, but this is where we're going. So we're going to feed the bag through there, line it up. Now the important thing is that the bag is straight when it's crushing. So even though it's a little off kilter down here, that's all right. That's how we need it. Everything's in place. So we'll bolt it in and then it'll be ready for the airline. All right, so we are done with the bags. They're installed. All that's left is the trunk setup. So we have to run the airlines. We have to run the wiring. However, that's all going to be in part 2 of this video when I show you the entire trunk setup. So get ready for that in 2 weeks. If people want, I might release it next week. So leave a comment and let me know if you want it sooner. But so that's it for this video. Let's drop this thing and see how it looks.